In this video, we are going to answer 2025 GCE Biology Paper 2, Question 3. We will carefully explain each part of the question using clear exam-style answers written in complete sentences and paragraphs. Question 3 has two main parts. Part A asks us to explain the path taken by an impulse in a spinal reflex arc. Part B asks us to describe two types of reflex actions, namely cranial reflex action and conditioned reflex action, using named examples. Part A asks us to explain the path taken by an impulse in a spinal reflex arc. In a spinal reflex arc, a stimulus is first detected by a receptor in a sense organ, such as the skin. The receptor then generates a nerve impulse which travels along a sensory neuron to the spinal cord. Inside the spinal cord, the impulse passes through a relay neuron which connects the sensory neuron to a motor neuron. The motor neuron then carries the impulse from the spinal cord to an effector, such as a muscle or gland. Finally, the effector produces a response, for example, withdrawing the hand from a hot object. Part B, Question 1, asks us to describe a cranial reflex action using named examples. A cranial reflex action is an automatic response to a stimulus that is controlled by the brain. These reflexes involve cranial nerves and occur without conscious control. Examples of cranial reflex actions include blinking of the eyes, coughing, and sneezing. Part B, Question 2, asks us to describe a conditioned reflex action using named examples. A conditioned reflex action is a response that develops through experience, learning, or training. It is a learned response that is acquired over time rather than being present at birth. Examples of conditioned reflex actions include reading, driving, swimming, jumping, and salivating when a person sees or smells delicious food. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the answer, subscribe to CAS Bright Minds for more GCE Biology exam solutions.